We're going to cook some vegetable soup today by using fresh ingredients like this. I got this from my friend's garden, which is lovely. We'll also use this huge package from Woody. I got it on special to cook some soup. Most people eat it raw, but as salad I eat it. We'll also use spring onions, right? I'll chop it and wash it in a minute. Last but not least, some prawns, yeah, and nice vegetable soup. It's really easy to cook it. The thing is, it is really nice and fresh, and you will be amazed at the taste. Alright, we chop the spring onions, just only a little bit, and peel off the old stalk. Don't use that. And put in the soup. It will enhance the flavor. Oh, I'm going to use some garlics as well. Hang on. Alright, some garlic, which I got from my fridge. So just peel off the old skin, and then we can chop it into the soup, nice and fresh. Right, I'm going to give it a quick wash. Peel off the old skin. I'm going to give it a quick wash and then ready to go. You don't have to do anything with these, but I'll just slice it open like so that it's easy for the flavor to come